Hello everyone and thank you for checking my student project management system. So this project was designed primarily to apply the skills I have gained throughout my journey as a self-taught developer. So on the front end, I have chosen to use HTML5, eventually CSS3, a plain CSS3 without using any framework, so that I can have a full control over my design and all the CSS animations and features. I have chosen to use also jQuery to handle all the dynamic requests and all, specifically Ajax, which allows me to make requests to the database, to the server, and avoid a refresh every time I send all those requests. So let's dive into the project right now. So as you see over here, everything is retractable. So for now, eventually, this is not responsive, but we can implement that easily. So let me add a new project. So let's call it new project. So this is a new project. So let's choose an image. So right now the recorder won't let you to see my directory, but we can pick up any pictures from uh, my directory and set it here. So as you see around here, it gets updated without refreshing the page itself. So now you don't have a list of students because there are no students itself. So you can see the details, but for now let's just remove this one. As you see, right now it updates by itself. So now we go to students, and then sometimes maybe we make an error that we're going to add students first. That's the student itself depends on the existing project. So that's why you won't see any students, and it shows you this pop-up like no project created yet. Go ahead and create some awesome project for your students. So let's create new project again. So let's set it as new project. This is a new project. So let's pick any pictures and let's create another project also. So you now the gray card is not here anymore, so you can pick it up right here and say like great project. This is a great project. So now let's choose any picture for this great project. There it is. And now we have it created. So they all both have the details and all those stuff. So now let's create some new students. So now you can create new students. You don't have any more like go ahead and create your students, but you can create your student because now you have everything. So let's create Adam Silver. So this guy is going to choose new project. So the deadline will be on 31st. And we're going to choose any picture for this person and then set it and register this person. Now we have the students over here, student over here. So we can remove this student if we want, then create again the student. So this is handled directly with jQuery. Everything here you see here is handled by jQuery. Let's set the deadline. Then let's choose a picture for this person and then register. Let's now create another student. Let's call this person John Neta and say like this person is going to go for great project. So 25th, and then we're going to choose any picture for this person. Okay, then register. So the last person we're going to set is Sylvie Newman. So great project and set as 23rd. Choose any picture. Okay, so now register. So here are the three students that we have set. They have chosen their own project that we can edit them at any time. Suppose, for example, this guy. As you see right now, all the informations are already displayed. So for example, this guy said like, okay, my name is Silver, not with Y. I would like to change a great project. I would like to change the deadline, but I would like to keep my photo. So as you see here, every changes was there apart from the picture. So let's say this guy wants to change his profile picture. So we just go ahead and check for any other picture going around and modify. We have any picture. We can select them all. We can delete them all, but we're not going to delete them and select them. We can select any, all of them, and then unselect them. Say for example, let's go to the project right now and then check for each list. This first is having 3 students over here for the group project, and this one doesn't have anybody. So we're going to change this setup. Let's say Sylvina Man, she wants to go for a new project right now. Now let's check the project over here. In new project we have Sylvina Man, and you won't see her anymore in grid project. So this is it. Thank you everyone for checking this project I have set. There are more ways to go for this one, but I wanted to showcase my ability to handle the backend with Django, handle all the requests easily with uh, Ajax, and also take the most advantage of Ajax itself and Django at the same time. Thank you everyone, and see you next time.